we have been given these two linear equations containing variables x and y, and we have to find the values of the variables x and y which simultaneously satisfy both the two given equations. We will be using the elimination method, and for elimination method we know that we have to eliminate one of the two variables by making the coefficients of both the terms of both the equations the same. So we will be doing the same sum twice. First of all, we will be eliminating x and then we will be eliminating y. Now to eliminate x, we have to make the coefficients of the term containing x in both the two equations the same. For that, we have to multiply the first equation by 2 and then we will be multiplying the second equation by 5. So the first equation becomes 10x minus 4y is equal to 2, and the second equation becomes 10x plus 35y is equal to 80. Now we have to eliminate x. How do we eliminate x? This is plus 10x and this is plus 10x. So we have to change the signs. We have to subtract because 10x minus 10x will be equal to 0. So we have to perform a subtraction. For that, we will be changing the signs of each and every term of the second equation. So now 10x minus 10x gives us a 0. And this is minus 4y and this is minus 35y, which gives us minus 39y, equal to this is minus 80 and this is plus 2. So it is minus 78. Therefore, we get the y value if we divide both sides by minus 39 or negative 39. We get the y value as 2. Y equal to plus 2. Now that we have got the value of y as 2, we can substitute this value in either of the two given equations. Let us take up the first one. 5x minus 2y equal to 1, and on putting the value of y in this equation, we have 5x minus 2 times 2 is equal to 1, and this is 5x minus 4 equal to 1, and if we add a plus 4 to both the sides, we get 5x is equal to 1 plus 4, which is equal to 5. So the x value is equal to 1. Therefore, we have got x is equal to 1 and y equal to 2. This becomes our answer. This time we will be eliminating the variable y. For that, we have to make the coefficients of y the same for both the equations. So we multiply the first equation with 7 and the second one with 2. This gives us the first equation as 35x minus 14y is equal to 7. And the second equation becomes 4x plus 14y is equal to 32. This time we see we are having opposite signs. This is minus 14y and this is plus 14y. So if we add them, we will be getting a 0. So the operation that we will be performing is an addition. Therefore, 35x plus 4x gives us 39x. This minus 14y plus 14y will get cancelled, so it will be plus 0 we can write, and this is 7 plus 32 is 39. So 39x is equal to 39. Dividing both sides with 39, we get the x value as 1. And then let us take the second equation in this case, and we have the second equation as 2x plus 7y is equal to 16. So it is 2 times 1 plus 7y equal to 16, and this is 2 times 1 is 2, and on adding a minus 2 or negative 2 to both the sides of the equal to sign, we get 7y equal to 16 minus 2, which is equal to 14. This gives us the y value as 14 over 7 is 2. So y equal to 2. Again, we get the same answer. We have to get the same answer because it is the same sum. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Now we see that when we have eliminated this variable x, we have performed this subtraction. Why did we perform this subtraction? Because you see the terms containing this variable x have the same sign. It is the positive sign or the plus sign. It could have been the negative sign as well. It could have been minus 5x and minus 2x as well. Whenever you have the same sign for both the terms containing the same variable, you perform a subtraction. But when you have two different signs for two terms containing the same variable in the two given equations, then we perform an addition. So it is not a question of whether to perform an addition or a subtraction. You have to decide first which variable you want to eliminate. And if the two terms containing that variable in the two equations have the same sign, you have to perform a subtraction. Else, if the two terms containing that variable in the two equations have opposite signs, then you have to perform an addition. Okay?